ride and pick up solenoid, because apparently the guys just don't want to go to and grab the part because it's not worth it, which is pretty sad in my eyes, because there's a few people that were just sitting there at the shop, and now I gotta go grab the part because they're over it on working on my truck, which is very sad. She was almost there. There was smoke coming out of the stack, so we were finally getting fuel there, and yeah, they just decided they wanted to give up, so it really sucks. So now I have to get another wrecker, gonna bring her to Peterbilt, and then they're gonna get me in first thing in the morning, thanks to Adam's buddy Bubba. Huge shout out to you. But yeah, it's very unfortunate, and hopefully this will be the end of it. Well, not what we want to see. Now we're getting towed out of the place we got towed into, because when you get close to getting it started, you just give up. So yeah, pretty pathetic. We'll never recommend anyone to come to the shop. This guy that hauled me in. So it's kind of funny. Looking large and in charge. Sad, very sad. Alright, all hooked up to the second anchor. Let's go. Alright, thank God guys. Brian saved the day, and he stuck around because at first they were like, you cannot take the truck unless the bill is paid. And they said if it's over $2,000, I can't pay with my credit card, which I've never heard before, but so be it, past the point. We'll get more into that later. But Brian, he saved my ass, and honestly, I don't know, like, if we're gonna make it to Rush in time. Like, it says 7 o'clock on the dot, but Bubba is actually getting on the phone with his guy, and hopefully he can make it to where he's gonna leave the gate open for us, because if not, you know, Brian's just gonna have to drop the truck outside the gate, and then I'm probably gonna have to get another tow. So it's just never ending here in Florida. Alright, we got the truck dropped at Rush at Peterbilt. Thankfully they kept the gate open for us. Ryan's gonna bring me to the hotel. Might grab some grub. Alright, well, made her back to Rush Center here in Florida. And I don't have my truck in the shop, but they do have a computer and a couple other things hooked up outside. So at least they are checking it out. Hopefully we'll get an answer here soon, and hopefully be hitting the road here. All right, well, we got confirmation that the ECM is actually all good from Cummins. So now we're running into another issue to where we're not getting any prime. So now it is possibly the check valve or in the fuel line or where the fuel filter housing is, because it looks like that someone put some silicone there, and so the tech Larry that's working on it, he doesn't like that, but he gets done early because he shows up early. So gonna end up having to get another hotel, which is, you know, just what it is, and but they're getting a lot farther than a lot of the other guys that have been working on it, so that's good. Just gotta hope for the best, and yeah. Sorry, Liz, just, what are you doing, Lou? Come on now. Lay down. Oh, I know, you just wanna go, so do I. Off to our third hotel, here we go. Hopefully it's nothing like the Red Roof Inn last night. Man, that place was a crap hole. She is alive. What do you think? Uh-oh. We got a bad injector?
No, just like a bad connection. Just you wiggle it here. Just every once in a while, you hear it cutting out.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna unhook this number 1 there with the power box harness.
Gotcha.
And hook it up stock.
Oh yeah. She sounds real nice. Woo. Crazy, guys. This could have been a $0 problem that turned into thousands of dollars, and all I had to do was unplug this guy right here. But hey, at least she's running strong now. We got the stock injector harness all hooked up, and she sounds healthier than ever. So yeah, pretty stoked on that. All right, well, we got all the trailers moved back to where we loaded in at, and it's about 8 o'clock right now. We're a little ways behind just because the concert ain't gonna get done until 1:30 because there was a rain delay. So sucks. Just gonna make it that much longer for us because we have a 14-hour run after this to go to Philly, but it is what it is, and hopefully we can get out of here by at least 3-4 o'clock. So we'll have to wait and see. All right, well, I just had to run to the post office real quick to pick up my Girl Scout cookies. Now we're heading back, but thank God it's not raining anymore. So, but getting here was horrible. But we do have like a 12 or 800, just a little over 800 miles to Philly, so it's not too bad. But the nice thing is we got a nice trailer, guys. This is actually the first one that I pulled out to Glendale for Taylor's rehearsal. So yeah, this will be the second time pulling this girl, but yeah, pretty excited. Got some chrome rims. Should be good. Gonna go to Philadelphia. Let's go.
Don't need no jacket, shelter from the storm. Don't want an extra layer, 'cause loving keeps me warm. And when she's with me, lifts me off the ground. She keeps me next to her like I'm the only one around. Chain reaction grabs me from within. She sweeps me off my feet and then puts me down again. I don't need no silver, I don't need no gold. I got my baby's touch and I can feel it in my soul. Oh, how she loves me, picks me up and takes me
in a couple hours. Finally found out how to get in here now. So now I just gotta hopefully just get out of here, get on this main road over here, and then swing on in, and then we're ready for load-in. Alright, well, we just got done with load-in, so now we are moving all the trailers to a different lot, just farther away from the stadium, so they're out of the way, and yeah. Alright, this is our new parking lot. It's about a half a mile from the stadium. Not bad. At least we won't have to worry about being crammed. Man, this is probably the biggest parking lot that we've been to yet. The TA is pretty backed up, or the truck wash. So now we are just hanging out and got a service in a few hours, so that's good. But yeah, gonna be here for a little bit. All right, everyone's all washed up. Now we'll probably just head back to the stadium and hang out. Hopefully find some laundry. So this is the second time now that we've had to move the porta-johns, and yeah, this is another way of hauling porta-johns. So yeah, unfortunately you guys won't be able to see the other time we had to retrieve them because I lost my phone in Nashville. So yeah, it sucks, but I wish you guys could have seen the footage. Yeah, we're making it work. Go.